Gen Z is rewriting the rules of the workplace, and it's causing quite a stir. The traditional career ladder is being replaced by a hop-on, hop-off approach, as young professionals prioritize their well-being, growth, and financial stability over long-term commitment to a single employer. This phenomenon, dubbed office frogging, is a bold statement against the conventional 9-to-5 grind, but it's also sparking debate about job loyalty and career progression. Imagine a workforce of ambitious, tech-savvy individuals who aren't afraid to take risks. These Gen Z employees, often referred to as Zoomers, are embracing a more fluid career path, much like a frog leaping from one lily pad to another in search of a better opportunity. But here's where it gets interesting. Is this a sign of a generation lacking commitment, or a smart strategy to navigate an unpredictable job market? According to Peter Duras, co-founder of the AI-powered career platform KickResume, office frogs are employees who embrace change and aren't afraid to take a leap of faith. In a recent Forbes article, Duras explains that this trend is driven by Gen Z's desire for personal growth, better compensation, and a healthier work-life balance. These young professionals are willing to leave their current roles if they feel undervalued, overworked, or simply ready for a new challenge. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about job dissatisfaction. A Glassdoor survey of 1,000 U.S. professionals revealed that 68% of Gen Z workers would reconsider pursuing management roles unless they come with significant perks, such as higher salaries and more prestigious titles. This generation is redefining success, prioritizing personal fulfillment and financial stability over climbing the corporate ladder. But is office frogging a sustainable career strategy? While Duras applauds the courage of these young professionals, he also warns against excessive job hopping. It's essential to consider how frequent career changes may impact your long-term employability, he advises. However, when done strategically, office frogging can be a powerful way to gain diverse skills and experiences. To make the most of this approach, Duras offers the following guidance. Frame your job hopping as a strength. When explaining career transitions, focus on the skills acquired and achievements unlocked in each role. This demonstrates adaptability and a growth mindset. Ensure each move is worthwhile. Before jumping ship, evaluate whether the new opportunity offers significant advantages over your current position. If not, it might be wiser to stay put and continue growing in your existing role. Maintain a positive narrative. During interviews, emphasize the lessons learned and accomplishments achieved in previous positions, rather than dwelling on negative experiences. This showcases professionalism and a solution-oriented attitude. As office frogging continues to gain momentum, it's essential to ask ourselves, are we witnessing a revolutionary shift in career expectations, or a temporary reaction to a challenging job market? What do you think? Is Gen Z's approach to work a bold step forward or a risky gamble? Share your thoughts and let's spark a conversation about the future of work.